Guys, to be honest with you, I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy at all with the way things are going in this country. Presently, I'm not happy. Can you imagine $1 as of now is 1,640 naira? You can see it yourself. 1,640 naira. I'm supposed to be happy, right? Because almost all my money are in dollar accounts, all my earnings are in dollar. I'm supposed to be happy, but still I'm not happy. Last month, you can see from Amazon KDP, I earned over $200, but still I'm not happy. I would be happy if everybody are earning in dollar, and that is not possible. It's only few that are earning in dollar. The worst part is that few people that try to earn in dollar end up getting nothing because they watch wrong videos. And that is why I take my time to compile 5 passes of income for you guys. Now, out of these 5 that I'm going to be sharing with you, all you have to do is to just pick one. When I mean passive income, it's something that will keep generating you money forever. As far as you just pick one and go into it, it's going to be generating you money forever. You can even leave your present job and join it when it starts working out for you perfectly. But before then, you should know that when I mean passive income, it's not something that will start generating you money instantly. As you start, you are going to be giving it time, like 2 months or 3 months, will be working on this project, and after that you start getting little things before it's become massive for you. So this is what I'm about to share with you. Where most of you get it wrong is that whenever you want to make money online, you just look for the one that you get instant money, and which is not done in that way. Though not that there are no websites that can pay you instantly, but start with the one that can pay you forever. Just start with the one that you are truly sure, okay, people are working on this, and if I go into this, I must surely get paid. Start on that one and focus on it. As you just focus on that particular one, as you are getting little pay from that, it will increase your knowledge and your skill. Then you can now try to get instant money. So I'm going to be sharing with you 5 passive income. I mean 5 is advisable. Pay maximum attention to everything I'm going to be sharing with you, and take actions now, because we don't even know where this dollar is going. Presently, dollar might enter 3,000 next year. Like seriously, look at where it's coming from. Early this year, we're having like around 1,200 naira. As of now, it's around 1,400 and something, or 500. You can see. So in the next year, it might enter 3,000, and once it enter 3,000 and you're still not earning in dollar by then, imagine how the economic of this country is going to be by then. So that is why you must pick one out of these 5 that I'm going to share with you and focus on it. And if you focus on it, give it 2 months, in fact 2 weeks. If you are serious with it, you can start getting little pay from these 5 passive income I'm about to share with you. The payment will start with little and keep increasing day by day as you keep putting more effort to what I'm about to share with you in this video. We are going to be starting from list, but before then, let's do introductions. I'm Gideon, and on this channel, I provide you with the right information to help you leverage your finances. In exchange, I would like you to do 3 things for me. I mean, just 3 things. First, like this video. Second, subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that anytime I drop a video, YouTube is going to notify you that I have dropped a video. You'll be first to watch and first to take actions. Lastly, drop a comment and share this video with your friends. So without further ado, let's dive in. Just like I've earlier told you, we're going to start from the least to the highest. The first one we're having on our list here is YouTube. YouTube is one of the way most people are making money online. You might think YouTube is not paying them very well. Yes, it might be true that YouTube is not paying them, but partnering and affiliate in YouTube that you never have idea of pay more than what they are actually even paying with YouTube. And going to YouTube, you must not have to show your face just the way I'm doing presently. You can just do faceless YouTube channel. You can start anything, any idea you have at all. You can start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel, it does not even require necessary things. Just with your mobile phone, if you want to record, if you want to sit down and record like this, fine. Just with your mobile phone. As we speak right now, I'm recording this video with my mobile phone. You can do the same thing. Just get a ring light, sit down and think of what you can share with people that they might likely watch, or an idea you have, and start sharing with them. You must not be how to make money. There are tons of niches you can go into. Just do a research on anyone you can go. If you don't have idea on any at all, just go to ChatGPT and it's going to write you niches and find something that you can do. Okay, And at the beginning, you might find it very, very difficult. You will feel like to give up. But when you keep pushing, within a month, you start getting a sale on your YouTube. Within a month, YouTube, you don't have to get up to 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours before you start making money. In fact, when my YouTube was around 600 subscribers, I earned not less than 800,000. And I was able to do that with affiliate marketing and partnership. Before you can have idea of affiliate marketing that I'm talking about and partnership, you have to go into it and start it. And as you start, the thing will keep coming by himself. So this is the first one on our list. Second passive income you can go into as we speak presently is affiliate marketing. I'm pretty sure you have heard of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is you selling other people's products and getting paid in commissions. There are many goods online that you can sell and get paid in commissions. I don't advise you to go for 72 IG because what they do there, that's expertise. What they do there, they will ask you to refer a friend to buy the same product you bought, and they're going to teach you that your friend how to like look for that person to come and buy. So it's just like conning something. I'm not comfortable with that. I never buy, but from experience I've seen about that 72 IG, I don't advise you to go into that. You can start selling people products on Amazon. Just do research on how to sell products on Amazon. You are going to create a landing page on Amazon. Amazon will give you your own link. Okay, after you have created your own, you are going to be take pictures of products and post it on your own page, and as people buy it through your own link, you are going to be getting paid in commissions. Apart from Amazon, you can become affiliate on Adidas, you can become affiliate on CPA Grip, CPA Marketing, and so many affiliate program you can go into. All you have to do is to pick a particular one you want to go for. We have the one you can even sell in Naira and still get paid in commissions. If you go to Hot Kits now, people are selling other people's products and also getting paid in commissions. Though you are being paid in Naira on Hot Kits, but I advise you go to Amazon and other big affiliate marketing. Personally, when it comes to affiliate marketing, CPA self-clicking, CPA marketing, I'm good at that. That is my own area. Though I've compiled several videos on affiliate marketing and affiliate CPA self-clicking. Okay, CPA self-clicking, I'm going to be leaving a link of this particular I'm talking about for you. Okay, you can go into this particular one. If you are brilliant, you can get paid from this one within 2 days, 3 days. So as you can see right now, you'll find a link on the screen right now. Just click on the link and watch the video. It's going to show you how you can start this affiliate marketing, CPA self-clicking, and get paid instantly. In that, if you are not really good in all this online stuff, you have to focus on one of the 5 things I'm sharing with you first, and after you are good in it, you can now go for any other things. Okay, so this is the second things on our list. The third thing I'm going to be talking about is becoming an influencer. When I say becoming an influencer, you must not be a comedian, you must not be a musician, you must not be a dancer before you can become an influencer. And how can you become an influencer? It's very easy to become an influencer. First thing to become an influencer is to create a Facebook page. If you have created a Facebook page, you are good to go. The next thing now is for you to get a video to post. In getting a video, you must not sit in front of camera to do a video or talk about anything before you can post a video. All you have to do is to look for a viral video. Just be watching video on Facebook too, or on Instagram or on YouTube. Download it and remove the watermark from it, and then repost it on your own page. When reposting, make sure you add your short video or your pictures by the side, taking reactions so that they will not take it as copywriting. If they see it as copywriting, they might take down your page or block your account or take down that video. Add any shot of your video. You can just be like you are watching, smiling. That is all. You are becoming a content creator. Look for a video that is going viral. Most people that are not getting views, that they like to post all kinds of video. It should not be all kinds of video. Before you take a video and repost, make sure the video has good view. People are like to watch it very well. People have watched it from the same page you are taking it from, and once you take your own page, people might likely come to watch, and as they are watching the video, they will start following you, and as they will start following you, before you know, once you will get like 6k followers or 10k follower, people will start contacting you for you to promote their website or their gaming app for them, just like all these them Sabinos are doing. Play this game and Windows, so this play this game. You start promoting instantly, and aside promoting, you can become an affiliate on your own page by selling people's products, then get paid in commissions. It's very easy too. So this is the third one on our list. The fourth one, before you can go into it, you must have some passive income that is coming already, that whether you are working from YouTube already or from Facebook or as an affiliate marketer. Now the money you are getting from this area, what you are going to do, you are not going to leave the money in your bank. Okay, you're going to open an account, take it from your local bank account to international account, change all the money to dollar and leave it in dollar account. As dollar keep increasing every day, your money keep getting value every day. Around December last year, I took like 200k and purchased this crypto. You can see it, and I possess this crypto and leave it there. As of now, this crypto is still here as $200. You can see it here. Now if I say I'm going to sell it now, do you know how much it's going to be within 2 months? I mean within 2 months, because December, January, we are in February already. So now if I say I want to sell this 200, let's see how much you can get back. You can see it. If you want to sell this particular one now, you are going to be getting back 320,000 naira, difference of 120,000 naira within 2 months. After you have getting your money from all this place, you can put it in dollar accounts or anywhere. You can use it to buy crypto and leave it there, or you can just go and put it to your domiciliary account or any international account you have at all. Leave it there. As dollar keep increasing, your money keep getting more value. So this is our fourth passive income. Now the last one on our list is investment. Invest in something that you get dividends. Like there was a time MTN came up that people should invest. Now some people are getting massive percentage from them already. You can invest your money in landing, you can invest your money with real estate, with cars dealers, and all kinds of things. You can invest your money after you have getting enough money from your passive income, save it, and also take it from there and start using it to invest. So guys, I think these are the 5 most passive income you have to go into this year that is going to benefit you. The first one is starting a YouTube. That is most compulsory. I advise everybody to start. Second one is affiliate marketing. When it comes to affiliate marketing, if you want to go into affiliate marketing, just let me know in the comment section. I would like to go into affiliate marketing. I'm going to hold your hand one-on-one and take you far. And lastly, because if you check all my video, you know that I don't play with affiliate marketing. I'm good at that very well, and Amazon KDP. Thirdly, we talk about Facebook page, become an influencer. Okay, fourthly is saving your money and get gain on it, and lastly is investing your money. So guys, if you love what you see so far, give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe to this channel for more video on how you can make money online. See you next time in our next video. Peace out.